everybody, Mason and Shelly with Just Adrift, and today is day 2 on our trek of the W. We're headed from west to east, so we're going from Lago to Paine Grande campsite. It should be about 3 to 4 hours. It's 11 kilometers. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm stretching and rolling on my ball.
Rolling on your ball?
Yeah.
How'd you sleep last night?
I didn't. Storm raged. I thought we were gonna blow away.
It was a very windy night last night. I eventually got some sleep, but it took a while. It was loud in the tent between the wind and the rain. It was a lot of rain.
Those mats were nice.
Oh yeah, I think the mats are a must. I kept thinking about the time we were camping and it rained and the bottoms of everything got wet. I was thinking, is there a river running underneath us? It was just, where'd the water go? There's so much of it. Just another vlog that starts with coffee. I just turned around and the mountains are now covered with snow. This happened last night, and I mean, it just downpoured where we were, but up there it must have been snowing because it's gorgeous. We're all suited up in our rain gear and we're ready to start our hike.
We're actually standing right in front of the Refugio at Lago right now, but because it's spring 2021, it's sadly closed.
We're only 10 minutes into our hike and we've gained a little bit of elevation, and it gives you this beautiful view of Lago, the island, and the glacier. It's kind of crazy because your eyes play tricks on you, because the glacier from here, which we're further away than yesterday, it seems larger and closer somehow. It's just this wall of ice. The chill in the air today feels like what you would think getting near a glacier would feel like.
On repeat, I will break like a twig right under your feet. Don't you say that you didn't want me. You turned me upside down and then you lit in my bed and
It's kind of scary.
Goes against everything you
Never actually drank water straight out of a river.
waste another minute. Hey, it's alright now. Listen to such a beautiful sound. Hey, it's alright now, but I don't know if I can take another go round. Hey, now you know you have to decide.
We are about halfway, and as advertised, this trek is absolutely stunningly beautiful. By far the majority of the time, you're walking on exposed trail with a view of the lake and the glacier and mountain peaks. It's really unbelievable.
It's really beautiful, and then as you get, they give you an idea of how high you're going to be hiking up, and it's about 250 meters, but you're going up and down.
Hola.
Hola. You're going up and down the whole time.
Hey, it's alright now, but I don't know if I can take another go round. How come I feel we're under attack? Like they're trying to pull us back.
We've just rounded the bend and the environment changes to a forest. It's nice to walk through the different environments.
The weather's been windy as expected, and it's been rainy for most of the time. We haven't been dealing with heavy rain, it's just kind of a constant drizzle or a threat of rain.
Sitting still, I feel the chill sinking
Yes.
into my fingers, and I need to start moving again.
Yeah, let's get going.
Yeah. Okay.
Don't know if I can take another go round.
We are on the home stretch right now, and the trail has completely changed. Since the halfway point, the trail has taken us away from the lake into this really amazing valley and away from the wind a little bit, which is nice.
I used to act kinda normal, I couldn't complain. Now it's never the same. I found myself picking pieces of my scattered brain. Look what you've done to me, my insanity. Oh baby, hey, I wish that I was a madman. So bad maybe I wouldn't fall for you, because you make me a madman. I lose it all when I'm with you. If I was only a fool, or if I was a man who could act kinda cool, maybe I could erase the moment you walked in and when I saw your face. 'Cause look what you have done to me, I'm losing it completely. I wish that I was a madman.
We had a lot of questions about what would be available here at the campsites and refugios. One thing's for sure, they got beers.
I'll trade you.
Oh, thank you. Did you find a spot?
Yeah, it's
Sweet.
by the door.
We're gonna do like some red beans and a tomato sauce, a little bit of couscous, got some fresh parsley, splurge item, shallots, garlic, more fresh vegetables, splurge item. Throw that all in a wrap and wash it down with Torres del Paine. Oh, turned out pretty good. Garlic and the shallots make it.
If you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe.